Good morning, I am Rajendra here. Welcome to technical session. So far we discussed till now C language interview questions and C++ interview questions. Now we are going to discuss on Java and basics fundamentals of computers. Basic fundamentals of computer means MS Office, what is operating system, all those things today we try to cover. And if you have any doubts also you can call to us so that we can clarify, and we will clarify your technical issues. So now we will start where we left off yesterday. I think yesterday we discussed on constructors, okay, and in C++ there are destructors also available. Destructors also. What is destructor means? Now we will see here what is destructor. Okay, in C++ constructors and destructors are available, but in Java destructors are not available. In Java destructors are not available. So why destructors are not available means so resource will be destroyed automatically by the garbage collector. So no need to use the destructors. Okay, and destructors names and constructor names should have the same name. Okay, but we use the tilde symbol in destructor. Just destructors, resource of the object, the object is removed, is deleted by the destructor. Resources of the object which is held by the object is deleted by the destructors. So how do we write destructors means we use a tilde symbol and same class name. Okay, this is nothing but a destructor. In destructors you can write the free operator also. Generally in free operator we write in the destructors. We know that free operator not free operator, this is delete operator. Okay, delete operator we write in the destructor. The job of the delete operator means which is deletes the runtime memory allocation, which deletes the runtime memory allocation. Those part we write in the destructors, and we cannot overload the destructor. Okay, some rules are there. Use tilde symbol for destructors. Second point, okay, class name and destructor name should have the same name. Should have the same name. Okay, like example, for example, if it is class name is demo, so this is constructor, this is constructor. Okay, if you don't write access specifier in C++, default it is private. So better to write the access specifier. Initialization of the object. Next we write here the destructor, tilde symbol demo. delete, okay. This is nothing but a destructor. Here the class name is what? Demo, and the class name and destructor name should have the same name, which is followed by tilde symbol. So this is the destructors. So for every constructor initialization, one destructor should be there. And one more thing, if you don't write the constructor also, default constructor will be written by the Java C++ compiler. Okay, if you don't write, at least one default constructor will be written by the compiler. In Java, JVM will write the constructors, and destructors are not available in Java. Destructors are not available in Java. In Java, it is only available in C++. And these are the destructors, and we cannot overload. Another rule is we cannot overload the destructors. We cannot overload the destructors, as it has only one destructor, one class, one destructor is available. Since one class, one destructor. Next, there is no types of the destructor, or that is only one type, that is tilde symbol destructor. Next, these are the I'll end of C++ here. Now we go for Java interview questions, and before going to the Java, you will be asked one question: what is the difference between C and Java? What is the difference between C++ and Java? Okay. Now we see the what is the difference between the C++ and Java. Okay. So we will write the differences here so that you can understand easily. So what is the difference between C++ and Java? It is visible. Okay. So what is the difference between C++ and Java? So C++ is a it's not fully object oriented programming language, not fully object oriented language. Okay, whereas Java, it is object oriented language. Okay, whereas Java, it is purely object oriented language. Next, it is less security compared to Java. It is high security. It is less security, it is high security. Next, another important difference is that is it is not platform independent. It is not platform independent. Okay, it is platform independent. It is platform independent. It is not, C++ is not platform independent, whereas Java it is platform independent. What is platform independent means, if I am writing the one program in C++ with respective to operating system is, for example, I am using the operating system in Windows. In Windows operating system, I have written one program. In Windows operating system, I have written one program. Example, I will write here one program, that is addition of two numbers. In C++ I am writing int a equal to 2, b equal to 3. Into c equal to a plus b. Not c, I am declaring here only. A plus b, addition of two numbers. C out c and L. This is end of the C program. File name is add.cpp. Add.cpp. This is the addition of the two numbers. I have written this code. Okay, I have written this code in Windows operating system. Windows operating system. Okay, it should be executed in Windows operating system only with the same processor. If you are using the Pentium processor, you need to go for the same processor with the same operating system. Okay. If you try to execute in another operating system like Linux or Unix operating system, this program cannot be executed because it is not platform independent. Okay. What we have to do, again I need to recompile this code, again the same program I have to visit to the client location, I need to recompile this program, then only it will work. Okay. That recompile program cannot be worked in Windows operating system or some other operating system. Again I face the problem. Okay. So, if I am writing any project in Windows operating system, I need to instruct to the client that he must use only one operating system, that is Windows operating system only. If I am developing the C++ program, C++ project in Linux operating system, client should execute the same environment, same operating system. Okay. This is a big problem for the developers. So, this can be avoided by using the Java, that is because Java is a platform independent. Because Java is a platform independent. So, same program I am writing this one. So, just look here, this C++ after compilation, okay, it will become add.exe file. At the time of execution, it will become the executable file, means exe file. Only we give this exe file to the client. In Java, we will see the same program in Java. Okay, I am writing in Java, same program, that is add.java class add public static void main. Just I will decrease some font here. int a comma b comma c. A is equal to b equal to 3, c equal to a plus b. System dot out dot println of c. So, this is a Java program, same program I converted into Java. So, this file name is add.java. So, whenever this once it is compiled means Java compiler compiles this program, this source code, that is add.java into add.class file. Okay. Here what is class file? Class file is nothing but it is set of instructions which is only understood by the JVM. Okay. I repeat, class file is nothing but it is a collection of set of instructions which is only understood by the JVM. Okay. This set of instructions is also called as the bytecode. This dot class file is also called as bytecode. Okay. So, what is bytecode or class file means? It is set of or group of instructions, set of instructions which is only understood by the JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Okay. So, by taking the input of this dot class file, now the JVM converts into machine level language, means system understandable language. Here .java file is not a platform independent, only bytecode is a platform independent. I repeat, .java file is not a platform independent, .java file is a platform dependent, but only bytecode is platform independent. We will give this dot class file to the client, so that system client's systems JVM will take this input, means this input means here dot class file, and converts gives output as machine level code. Now, the operating system will execute this by taking this input, means machine level code. So, we will see the output. This bytecode is also called as the intermediate language, intermediate file. So, this because of this bytecode only we are saying that it is a platform independent. Write once, execute anywhere, that is the motto of the Java. I repeat, write any operating system, write the Java code in any operating system, but you can execute in any operating system, okay, without recompile, without modification of the code. So, that is the reason we are saying that it is a platform independent. Java is a platform independent, which is, and C and C++ is not platform independent. It supports highly portable, but not fully. We need to recompile, we need to change the code, we need to recompile the code. So, for that reason Java is a platform independent, whereas C and C++ is not a platform independent. So, you understood, I believe that you understood this point. Okay. It is not platform independent, whereas the Java it is a platform independent. Next, here another, we use header file. Header files are used in C, C++. Here we use packages. Here we use packages. What is header files and what is the difference between header file and packages means? Header files, so we will write one simple, we will take the same program here, that is just I am taking this simple program. Include std iostream.h. In case of C language, we write stdio.h. So, next again I will write another header file here, because we are talking about header files only. So, that is conio.h, that is conio.h. So, here what happens whenever we are writing the console input output means I can write here CLR SCR function, CLR SCR, which cleared the screen. So, look here, first this whenever this CLR SCR control comes to CLR SCR function, it is a function call. Whenever this function is called, now the system checks whether this file is available or not, whether this header file is included or not. So, this code, this is predefined in conio.h, this is predefined in conio.h, h means header file, okay, console input output dot header file, this is a file name. So, this code CLR SCR function is defined in this program, we are only calling this function. So, whenever this function is called, now the code of the CLR SCR is included into wherever this function is called. Okay. Now, this code is only 1, 2, 3, 4 lines of the code. At the time of execution, the whatever the code is available in CLR SCR, that is included into the current program. This is only single line, but at the time of execution, the code is expanded because of the included the header files, code of the header files. So, here in the next cout is a predefined object, okay. This class file is available in iostream.h, okay, that is ostream.class, which contains iostream.h contains the istream class and ostream class, okay. This code, this class is available in ostream class. So, this class is included into this current program. So, CLR SCR code as well as this class files are available into the current program. So, code is expanded. I cannot give the guarantee that it contains only 1, 2, 3, 4 lines of code. It may contain the 1000 lines of code also at the time of execution. It may contain the 100 lines of code at the time of execution because of the header files, okay, that because we are including the header files. So, so if you take the class file means packages, okay, next difference is packages. Next difference is packages. So, here I am writing the packages. What are the packages means? Import java.lang.string, import java.lang.system. Okay. So, we use in C language we use header files, in Java we use the packages, these are the packages. Okay. So, here the string C is a predefined class and which is defined in java.language package. Okay. This is the in this folder the string class is available. That is the meaning of the java.language package. String is a predefined class and which is available in java.language package. So that we are importing this string class file into the current program. As soon as whenever this program is control comes to here string, control goes to JVM goes to in this package, okay, wherever the string class is available, and result is substituted but not the code, only result is substituted, okay, but not the code. So that is the meaning of the import java.lang.package, lang.string class. So we are not including the code, we are importing only the result but not the code, so that we can give the guarantee that if it is the 4 lines of code, at the time of execution also it contains the same, that is 4 lines only, it remains the permanent, it remains the same, okay. Like in the while we whenever we write the 4 lines of code, at the time of end also it remains the same, it is code is not at all added. So here system also, here system.out.println, okay, here system is a predefined class and which is defined in java.language package, okay. Here also only result is available but not the code, result is included but not the code, that is the meaning of the import. Here import is a keyword, here string, system, these are the predefined classes, string is not a data type, it is a predefined class. This is the difference between the header files and the packages. Next here is another partial encapsulation, fully encapsulation, okay. In C++ only partial encapsulation, whereas in the Java fully encapsulation, because we write the main method, main function in C++ outside the class, it is not possible to write inside the class, which is not possible to write main function inside the class, okay. In C++ we write outside the class, so that I am not saying that it is a fully encapsulation, because it is a we are writing outside the class. But whereas in the Java it is fully encapsulation, because everything we written inside the class, okay. Now encapsulation means all the data members and member functions, means instance variables and methods are combined together to form a single unit, is called encapsulation, okay. In C++ point of view, we say that it is a data members and member functions are combined together to form a single unit, okay. But main is not a member function, it is a non-member function, we write outside the class, it is not at all combined together. So that is the reason it is only partial encapsulation. Next difference we go, that is multiple inheritance is available, okay. Multiple in Java multiple inheritance is not supported, but we can achieve, but can be achieved by using interfaces, but not supported, but can be achieved by using the interfaces, okay. In C++ multiple inheritances is available. Why it is avoided in Java means, which leads to the confusion to the programmer or developer. For that reason it is avoided in Java, okay. So, multiple inheritance is available in C++, multiple inheritance is not available in Java, but we can achieve by using the interfaces. Next, operator overloading is available. Okay, it is not available. It is not available. We have discussed the what is operator overloading yesterday. So, it is not available. Why it is not available means it is writing the operator overloading is very complex. Complexity will increases and also confuses to the developer. For that reason, it is not available in Java. Pointers are available. Okay, here pointers are not available. Okay. Why pointers are not available means there are 2-3 reasons are there. It may crash during the execution time. If you are using the pointers, it may crash during the execution times. Second point that is writing the pointers, it leads to complexity. Complexity will increases. The code cannot be understood easily. Okay, if it is single pointer, it is okay. In any project, it demands to write the pointer to pointer, pointer 2 stars, 3 stars. Even we don't understand single star, how can you understand the double star, triple star? So it leads to confusion to the developer. So for that reason, it is not available, but in the same functionality, that is the references, will do the same functionality in Java. And what next? So these are the main differences of the C++ and Java. It is also you can think that C language and Java also contain the same differences except the object oriented programming language. Operator overloading, okay, inheritance, except this one, everything is same in C and Java also. Now we go for, and also some in questions are being asked in write any program in any language. Okay, you are going to be asked write one program in C or Java or C++. Okay, frequently they are asking swapping the two values. Swap the two values. Swap the two values. Swapping means interchanging the values. Swapping means interchanging the values. First I write in C language, later I will write in C++, later I will write in the Java .c. int a b temp. So a equal to 2, b equal to 3. I need to exchange the values. So first what I have to do, temp equal to a, temp equal to a equal to b, b equal to temp. This is a swapping logic. This is a swapping logic. So next you can print in printf a equal to %d backslash n I am writing, this is escape sequences A. Now the A value is 3. Printf B equal to %d backslash n B. Okay. This is a simple logic, okay, swapping the two values. You just remember this one, it is okay. Another logic is there for swapping values in a single statement, swapping logic in single statement. A is equal to A plus B minus B equal to A. Okay. If you remember this one also, okay. Okay. Instead of writing temp equal to A equal to B equal to temp, you can write this logic also, it is simple. Just I am writing. Second one, this one. Okay. Instead of writing this one, you can add. So it is also same thing. Next, we write the same program in Java. Swap.java. Everything we need to write in class. This is a package. Class swap public static void main string or string org. Next, int a b temp a equal to 2 b equal to 3. Just a equal to a plus b minus b equal to a semicolon. If you are writing this one, this temp is optional, no need to write temp, okay, because we are not at all using the temp. No need to write the temp here. So because I am not using, simple. Now we need to display the values. System dot out dot println a equal to a. Okay. Next, system dot out dot println b equal to b. End of the main method, end of the class. Okay. The same simple logic, a equal to a plus b minus b equal to a. If you remember this one, okay, or else you need to write the using the temp variable also you can write, that is temp equal to a equal to b equal to temp. Okay. This is for without using third variable temp. Without using temp variable, this is by using the third variable. And same program I will write in the C++ also. Just this is the logic, you can copy it, and the same logic I write in the C++. Swap dot cpp. Void, we need to include the header file, that is include iostream.h. Void main, the same here we write the C out, A equal to space A, end L, next line, end L means next line, next B equal to B, semicolon. That's it, simple. Okay, this is a we have written the C language and C++ as well as the Java. Same program if we have written in 3 programming languages, which is comfortable for you and which is they will ask you need to write this one. Next we have another important question, that is what are the OOPS concepts? What are the OOPS concepts? Now we will see the OOPS concepts. Swapping numbers we have written. Another find average of two numbers. Okay, find average of two numbers also very simple program. Two numbers. Okay, we need to read the two values and do the total. For example, I would like to do one program in C language, because mostly you will be asked in C language. Include stdio.h hash include void main three average. Also I want to read I want to calculate the 3 subjects of marks, MPC and total. So here I write float, average, printf, enter 3 subjects marks, 3 subjects marks. Here we need to read the 3 subjects of marks, that is percentile D, percentile D, percentile D. So ampersand A, M max, comma ampersand P, comma ampersand C. 3 subjects of marks we are reading from the keyboard. Okay, input output statements printf and scanf. Now what we have to do, now we read the 3 subjects from the keyboard. Now what we have to do, we need to add those 3 subjects and store into the total. So total equal to M plus P plus C. Okay, so now we need to do the average, finding the average. How to do the average means average equal to total how many subjects, 3 subjects of marks. Okay, this is the finding the average. 0.0 I am writing here because average is a float data type. So but a total is a integer data type. We are typecasting. Typecasting means converting from one data type to another data type is called typecasting. Here the typecasting is mandatory because left hand side is average. Average is of type float, whereas total is of type integer. So it should be typecasted. If I am not typecasting, accurate percentage or average we do not get, only .0 we will get. So by typecasting we will get the accurate result, accurate average here. Okay, 0.0 you can add 0.0 and also you can add some other casting operator, that is within parenthesis float also you can write. Okay, this is the standard way which is available in C++ and Java also, same thing. So now we can print the average of 3 subjects, okay, equal to percentile 0.2f comma what is the average. This is the logic for the average of 3 subjects. Okay. Why I am writing 3 means here, because we are taking 3 subjects. If you are writing the only 2 subjects, you have to write here only 2, number 2. So, this is the logic for the average of 2 numbers. Next, what are the programs are there? Difference, it is finished. Data structure will now we will discuss, and one important topic is there. Okay, next. So, platform OOPS concept now we will discuss now. So, it is a very important in Java and as well as the C++, both it covers. So, now we see the notepad, that is OOPS concepts. Okay. What are OOPS concepts means? It stands for object oriented programming system. So, the concepts of the are OOPS principles, it is also called as OOPS principles or concepts, both are same. First one is classes and objects. Classes and objects. Okay. This is the first principle or first concept of the object oriented programming system. Next, second one is encapsulation or data abstraction. Third one is data encapsulation. Data encapsulation. Fourth one is inheritance. Fifth one is polymorphism. Next, sixth one is data hiding. Seventh one is persistence. Next, dynamic binding. These are the main concepts of the OOPS concepts. Message passing is also there, message passing. These are the main concepts. So, here the first 5 is very important. Okay. If you are able to talk on first 5, it's enough. Okay. These we can understand easily. Remaining these, at least you need to able to explain about the first 5, that is classes and objects, data abstraction and data encapsulation. So, now we see this. So, what is data abstraction? Okay. Hiding internal details and showing only essential features is called abstraction. Okay. And example interfaces and abstract classes are the examples of data abstraction. Okay. And abstraction provides a security. This is the example of the definition of the abstraction, data abstraction. Hiding internal details. Okay. Abstraction means we know that abstraction itself tells that hidden, that is the meaning of the abstraction. So, here what we are hiding means unnecessary code can be hidden. Okay, only necessary code only visible to the client. Okay, this is called abstraction. Here interfaces and abstract classes are the examples. Okay. In C++ point of view, we write the only data members, that is integer, float, character, string. These code cannot be visible, only the class name only visible. Okay. Yet the class name, the process of hiding these data types, old existing data types, is called abstraction. Okay. Only derived data type only is visible, that is the class name. Okay. Every class name is a derived data type. We have discussed in data types concept that we have three types of data types. One is fundamental data types or primitive data types. Second one is derived data type. Okay. Third one is user defined data type. Here the derived data type example is structures and classes are the derived data types. In Java point of view, only classes. In C++ point of view, structures, unions and classes are the derived data types. So, this is data abstraction. So, and one more thing, that is classes is also there. Classes, I forgot to tell you, classes is nothing but it is collection of properties and methods, instance methods is called, or methods is called classes. Okay. Yet the properties means instance variables. Variables or data members is called properties. Is a collection of properties and methods are called classes, and which is not in a physical form. Okay, that is known as the classes. Another definition is also there. This is the first one. Second one, it is a blueprint. It is a blueprint of the object. It is a blueprint of the object. It is also called as the blueprint of the object. Yeah, what is, how we are saying that it is a collection of, means example we can see here. I am writing in Java, EMP number, string name, double salary, next char, gender, excuse me. In Java we write something like this. Public void. Just look here, it's a collection of data members, means properties and functions, methods is called classes. Okay, this is a class. Now we am defining the class definition. Here the class name is EMP. Okay, it's a collection of data members, means properties and member methods is called classes. Okay, object means next object. Object means it is a instance of class. Here instance of means it is a real entity, physical entity. Okay, physically exist is called object. So how do we achieve the object? Means by creating the by using the class we can create the object. Without class I cannot create the object. Okay, but without object we can write the classes, but not vice versa. I cannot write the object, I cannot create the object if it is class is not exist. Okay, if the class exists only I can create the object. This is the instance of the class. How do you create? Syntax means class name reference variable equal to new class name. Okay, example EMP E equal to new EMP. Okay, here the EMP is the class name. Okay, here E is the reference, new EMP means one object is created. This is the creating the object. This is the creating the object, or else you can write something like this also, no problem. Okay, this is creating the reference variable. Okay, this is creating object. Okay, and reference points to it and reference points to it. This is creating the reference variable. Here reference variable is eligible to hold the address of the object. Okay, here the reference variable is eligible to hold the address of the object. I cannot store the data in reference variable, I can store only the reference of the object. So here the new is a keyword, here the new is a keyword which you use to create the object. There are the 4 ways to create the objects in Java. One of the ways is new, by using the new keyword, new operator. So this is the classes and object. Now we go for next. What is the next? That is data abstraction is finished. Now the data encapsulation. Data encapsulation. Data encapsulation means combining the variables, means properties and methods are combined together to form a single unit. Combining the data members and member functions are combined together to form a single unit. Here the in Java point of view, how do we say? Data means properties and methods are combined together to form a single unit is called data encapsulation or encapsulation. Encapsulate means combining together. What we are combining together means the properties and methods are combined together to form a single unit. Example, laptop is a encapsulated, whereas the desktop is not encapsulated, because we are keeping mouse somewhere else. Okay, mouse somewhere else and keyboard somewhere else, monitor is kept somewhere. Okay, CPU is kept somewhere else. So these are not at all encapsulated, whereas the laptop is a encapsulated. All the parts are combined together to form a single unit, is nothing but a encapsulation. Here the in Java point of view, what are the encapsulation in this current program is all the variables, means these properties, methods are combined together to form a single unit. Here to form a single unit means in this object in this object we are combined together. In this object we combine together only so that which provide the security, by using the encapsulation which provide the security. So, this is a data encapsulation. Inheritance. Inheritance means deriving a new class from the already existing class is called inheritance. Deriving a new class from already existing class is called inheritance. Okay. What are the properties are available in the superclass, okay, existing class, that is inherited to the child class or subclass is called inheritance. We have several types of inheritances also there: single inheritances, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hybrid inheritance. Okay. These are all called the types of the inheritance. Next, binding. What is binding means? Binding is divided into two parts. One is static binding, second one is dynamic binding. Binding is a function call to its corresponding function definition at compilation time is called static binding. Okay. Whenever the function is called, okay, the code of the function is definition is combined, binded, okay, that is called binding. Okay. Here the method overloading is example of the static binding. Method overloading is the example of the static binding. Okay. Just next see the next point, when the type of the object is determined at compiled time by the compiler, it is known as static binding. Okay. These are the definitions of the binding. Okay. Dynamic. Next to polymorphism. Polymorphism is same object performs different behavior in different locations is called polymorphism. Okay. And we have two types, one is method overloading, second one is method overriding. Method overloading means same method performs different actions in the same class, whereas the method overriding means we should have the two classes, one is superclass, second one is the subclass. In superclass, one function name means method name, and the child class also should have the same method name with the same signature, but whereas the method overloading signature should be different, whereas in the method overriding signature should be the same. Okay. We should have the at least two classes, one is superclass, second one is subclass, then it is called the method overriding. Okay. Replacing the code. Overriding means replacing the code. So, these are the concepts, okay, we covered till now. Any doubts also you can mail to me. This is my mail address at gmail.com. Okay. I will clarify the doubts. You can mail your doubts. Okay. I will respond to your mails. Okay. This is rajendra.apssdc@gmail.com. You can send your doubts or technical questions point of view. I am ready to help you. Okay. So, that now we finish this technical session. I wish you all the best. You do not worry, technical questions is very simple, only frequent and this IT infrastructure means in not asking in depth questions. Okay. Only just they are asking a few basic questions only, they you will be asked. Okay. Give that confidence. Okay. Show your confidence to the interviewer. Okay. I wish you all the best. Thank you.